So let me ask you something. Did you know you can actually make some serious money online using AI, even if you're a total beginner? No, for real. This isn't some sci-fi future dream. It's what thousands of people are doing right now. I'm not kidding. People are pulling in hundreds, sometimes even $1,000 a day. That number you see, that's not a typo. That's what's possible, daily. And in this explainer, we're gonna break down exactly how they're doing it.
All right, I know what you're thinking. $1,000 a day? Sounds amazing, but also maybe a little daunting, right? Like, where in the world do you even begin? Don't worry, we're gonna lay it all out for you. A simple step-by-step guide to the top 5 AI tools, starting easy and building our way up to the really powerful stuff. Think of it like this. We're in the middle of an AI gold rush. The entire freelance world has been flipped on its head. Clients aren't just looking for a writer anymore, they want a writer who has, and I quote, AI superpowers. It's all about working smarter, not harder. So, here's the game plan for the next few minutes. We're gonna cover 5 different types of AI tools that can get you earning money online, like today. We'll start with creating content and move all the way to full-blown automation. And trust me, you are not gonna wanna miss the last one. All right, let's jump right in with the foundation of pretty much any online hustle: good writing and good design. We're starting with tools number 5 and 4, which are hands down the easiest ways to get your foot in the door with AI freelancing. First up, AI writing tools. So what are these things? Well, think of a tool like ChatGPT as your own personal content assistant. It can whip up a first draft of a blog post, a script for a video, or all the text for a website in minutes. This just crushes the time it takes to get from a blank page to a finished product. Okay, but let's talk about the money, because that's what we're here for, right? Check this out. A single blog post could net you up to $150. Something that used to take a whole day to write can now be drafted and polished up in just a couple of hours with AI. That speed is your secret weapon to making more money. You can take on way more projects without completely burning out. Next step, AI image tools. This is where things get really visual. It's like having a world-class graphic designer living inside your computer, ready to go 24/7. Tools like Midjourney can take a simple sentence from you, we call it a prompt, and turn it into a totally unique, professional-looking image in just seconds. You don't need a design degree to make incredible art anymore. And this shows you exactly how to turn that art into cash. It's a super simple 5-step plan. You create some cool, unique art with an AI tool. You upload it to what's called a print-on-demand service, and then you sell things like t-shirts or mugs with your art on them on a site like Etsy. And the best part? You never have to touch any inventory. It's pure passive income. Okay, you with me so far? Good, let's level up. We're moving from text and images into the world of multimedia with AI voice and video tools. And you guessed it, this is where the potential to earn really starts to take off.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. Check this out. This quote is from a YouTuber who documented his whole process. He started selling AI voiceovers on Fiverr, and in just 2 months, he made over $1,000 and got a perfect 5-star rating. This is proof that people are actively looking for and paying for this service.
So you're probably wondering, how did he actually do it? Well, it's surprisingly straightforward. You use a tool like 11 Labs, find a voice that fits what the client wants, and generate the audio from their script. Now here's the key part. You take a little time to tweak it, to refine it, so it sounds more natural and human. Then you just deliver the file. And this is the real kicker. You don't need a fancy microphone, you don't need a soundproof room, you don't even need to have a good voice yourself. All you need is your computer. This throws the door wide open for basically anyone to get into the voiceover business. So if you can create a voice, what's the next logical step? The whole video, right? That's where AI video tools like Pictory are an absolute game changer. You can feed these tools a script or even just a link to a blog post, and bam, out comes a full video, complete with footage, captions, and background music. It's like having your own automated video studio. All right, we've made it. Number 1, the big one. We've seen how AI can write, design, speak, and make videos. Now, imagine tying all of those things together to build a powerful engine that just works for you. Seriously, this is the most powerful method by a long shot, because this is where you stop being just a freelancer using AI tools and you start becoming the owner of an automated system that runs for you, generating income on its own. Just look at this workflow. It's a fully automated content machine. Step 1, ChatGPT pumps out a new video script every single day. Step 2, 11 Labs gives that script a voice. Step 3, Pictory builds the video. And then the magic step, a tool like Zapier automatically publishes that finished video everywhere. The whole thing runs on autopilot. And that is why this is a total game changer. A system like this works for you 24/7, even when you're sleeping. This is how you create real passive income. It lets you scale up your content creation like never before, and most importantly, it frees up your time to think bigger and plan your next move. Okay, so we've covered a ton of ground, from simple writing gigs all the way to a fully automated content business. Now let's bring it all home and talk about the most important part of all, what you do next. I mean, just look at the difference here. The old way versus the new way with AI. We're talking about going from hours of grinding away at writing to getting drafts in minutes. From needing expensive gear to using tools right in your web browser. It's a massive shift from being limited by your own time to building systems that can scale. Look, the future of freelancing, of making stuff online, of running a business, it's all going to be AI enhanced. That's just the reality. The people who are winning right now are the ones who are leaning into these tools, not running from them. You got to be a part of it. So here's the bottom line. The tools are here. They're accessible. You can get started with many of them for free. The biggest thing holding anyone back isn't a lack of money or skill. It's just hesitating. Don't wait around for the perfect time. Just start. Start playing around with these tools today. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here, right now. So the only question left is, what are you going to create with it?